What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So yesterday we checked into our hotel here in Stone Town in Zanzibar, and we checked into the Dhow Palace Hotel just inside Stone Town, just a few kilometers away from the beach. And it's a really gorgeous hotel. I just wanted to take you on just a short tour of the hotel, and let's see what to expect. So it has really beautiful doors, and I know there's a lot of history behind these specific designs. I'm sure it's related to war and defense, but in today's age is really aesthetic, really beautiful, and it symbolizes the Swahili history, the rich Swahili history and culture. So it's really important. And this is the reception. When you enter, you'll be welcomed warmly by their staff. They're really professional and very available to serve you. So when you enter into the reception, it welcomes you with Swahili design and art, and it really makes you feel at home. Makes you feel like you've actually entered a traditional Swahili home or a traditional Zanzibar home. So that's really important if you're actually looking for that. There's a lot of designs. There's ships, Swahili design ships. And a lot of antique. So yeah, and the staff is ready to serve. So my brother is here always to serve you when you come to the Dhow Palace Hotel. Okay. So there's another sitting area just in case you want to relax and wait. And it's really gorgeous. But gonna take you inside. There's the stairs that will take you up. So we'll go up and see. And then here is the corridor that's leading to the poolside, into other rooms as well. You would have a piano that actually works. Actually works. I've seen someone actually playing just a few minutes ago, and a whole lot of Swahili artifacts and historical people. I don't know them, but I'm sure they're very important people. Yeah, so it's a lot of Swahili antique artifacts. You can see that the designs alone itself are very symbolic. Really look at this. It's also really beautiful, especially when you look at it from the top. So yes, this is the Dhow Palace Hotel. Just in case you're considering coming to Stone Town, I think it's one of the hotels that you can actually consider. And I stayed here for one night, and I enjoyed the service, I enjoyed the atmosphere, and I was able to soak in more Swahili culture and admire the artifacts. I also realized a lot of the guides who were carrying out the Stone Town tours brought their clients or the people who were going on the tour to this hotel, and they took them on a tour of these places and kind of gave information about it. So I think the Dhow Palace Hotel is really symbolic I can't say much, but from my experience, I think it's a good place for you to visit. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the pool area. I think for my very good friend Buthaina, the pool area was one of the deciding factors for her to choose this hotel. So there's the pool area. It's really looks gorgeous. It's a place that you can sit and relax, and the view is kind of covered, but it's a gorgeous view. So I don't know if you're someone who really likes privacy, you would like to swim in this pool, especially during the day when there are a lot of people passing by. But it's aesthetically, I think it's really pleasing, very beautiful, well designed, and symbolic. Most importantly. So if you have one of these rooms, you can get to enjoy the views from your room. It's actually gorgeous. So then you have the restaurant where we serve just had breakfast. Just in case you want to eat breakfast, you would come here. I think this is another stairs that leads to a section of the rooms. And yeah, this is the restaurant area, and it actually leads to another street. Surprising. So we got to check in at the residences section or the apartment sections. These rooms were very spacious. You could see that it had its own hall area. The rooms were also very big. There were couches in the rooms. The bathrooms were also really nice. There are other types of rooms that you can also check out. So the rooms are mostly ranging between 80 to I think $130 or $150 depending on the season. So you can definitely check out the prices on booking.com or their website. So I have my very good friend here who has been serving as well at the restaurant.
Exactly.
Please, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Mr. Muhammad Dhow.
Awesome. And then he says he's from Mombasa.
Yeah, I'm from Tanzania, Melbourne, and I'm working in Zanzibar. In this company for about 20 years ago. I started at Dhow Palace Hotel, then to Dhow Palace Hotel. Also, we have another hotel called the Zanzibar Hotel. There's a family hotel, the China Hotel, you know. There is a 4 hotels here, we have 4. We have Temple House, Dhow Palace, the Zanzibar Seafront, and Frozen Park Garden.
How's the been? How has Dhow Palace been?
Well, what are we going to talk?
Working here.
Well, I'm working here about 18 years now. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Because by then it was one side, but now we have 2 parts. Now, you know, this is the Dhow Palace, they have a 2 part. The old part there, you know, you have seen the wall of the old part and new part.
I didn't see where's the old part?
That side there. Yeah.
Where the reception is?
The reception, yeah, the reception. Come to look. For example, have you see this wall?
Okay.
It's too thin compared to that one.
Very thick.
Yeah, very thick because that is the old part. Yeah. Okay. This is the new part.
So they built this one.
Yeah, also old, but that old.
Okay. This is interesting. How about this side? This side is also a new part. Okay, interesting. Why, if someone is watching on the internet, someone is watching online, why do you think they should come to the Dhow Palace?
Well, it's a good place. Very good place. Very, what do I want to say? It's a very good place. We stay with them. We have a very good food, very good staff, right? Actually, everything is good in the palace. Right? If you can have to see it yourself. Don't ask somebody. You have to come yourself to see what I'm saying, my word means.
And one thing I realized is the Swahili aesthetic. There's a lot of rich Swahili history.
Which one?
And I'm saying, like you guys have put a lot of rich history around the hotel, like the mirrors, the chairs. Like I'm saying that it's really impressive.
Yeah, but by then this was not a hotel. It was Arab club. But our boss make renovation, come to be hotels. So many buildings, hotels in Seoul town was not hotel actually. It was just a living house. But they're making renovation become hotel. Especially as I told you that the old part there, it was not hotel. So by then, in Zanzibar, it was only 2 hotels. Africa House and Zanzibar Hotel. No more. So around before regulation, it was only 2 hotels in Zanzibar. But now there are so many hotels, especially outside of that town.
So guys, if you're coming to Zanzibar, if you're coming to Stone Town, you have to make sure you come to a lodge.
Thank you very much. I welcome everybody to come to Stone Town. Very honest people, very honest staff, especially in our hotel. Honest and very good services. If you come, you will enjoy it yourself.
I also realize a lot of people who are doing the Stone Town tour bring the people here and show them.
Which one?
Like those doing the Stone Town tour, they bring the people inside and show them the artifacts. Why do you think so?
Yeah, because here we have so many very antique things in the hotel. That's why so many people coming inside the hotel. And even yourself, you can see we have a very, very antique things. Pictures and tools.
Okay. So what do you have to say to them?
Well, I'm told them to come to Zanzibar to see the Zanzibar historical because we are actually in Zanzibar. We are brothers in the small places. We are brothers. We know each other. We know. So it's a good place, peace places. That's why. So we are welcome to everybody to come to Zanzibar.
Yes.
To enjoy it.
Yes.
Their holidays, honeymoons, and also business because there's business center in Zanzibar.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, it's like a back gate kind of. And yes, this is the Dhow Palace Hotel. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the hotel that I spent my time in, or I slept at Stone Town during my trip to Zanzibar. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.